Every modern applications needs AI chat system. Every online businesses need custom AI chatbot. And for reducing our workload, we need autonomous AI agent. As a developer, we always aim to build this kind of system. And as a consumer, we always need to use this kind of applications. So for the last 2 months, I'm trying to build an application which has this kind of features. So finally, I'm launching OlyChat, an open source repository for modern AI applications. So in this video, I will go through its current feature, how can we use it, and how can we contribute in it. Okay, this is the landing page of our system OlyChat. And you can visit it by just typing chat.olylabs.co. In our landing page, we just explain all of the feature about our application. If we just click get started button, after successful authentication, we redirect it in our dashboard page. In here, we can see there are 3 features what we are trying to implement. First of all, there is AI chat, custom chatbot creation, AI agents. We successfully implement AI chat system. And now we are working on custom chatbot creation. Okay, now let's look into AI chat features. In this page, you can see all of our previous message history are stored. Now we are trying to create a new chat. Okay, now you can see we redirected in our AI chat interface. So we are just trying to ask what is the basic difference between AI and ML in table format. We want that our response will be in table format. If we just click here, you can see it first analyzed our message and gives us the proper table format response. And you can also see that it gives us very fast streaming response because we are using Socket.io here. Our system support complex streaming response in the UI. You can see this is a table types of format. It also support latex types of thing like math types of equation, all of these things. Now there is a button which is called context search. What this button does, if we click on this button and just type a query and just ask a query, it will gives us response based on our previous message context. So you can see I just click on this button and if I just type what I asked previously. So what it will does, it will gives us response based on our previous message history. So if I just click here, so you can see that it gives us a very short answer that you previously asked about basic difference between AI and ML in a table format. So you can see it gives us answer based on our previous message history. Okay, our system also support web search. We implement our own search method. We doesn't use any types of external API. So now if we click on this web search button and if we ask give me the latest YouTube video of code with Rakib, what it does, if we click on this web search button and if we asking for YouTube video, if we just click here, first of all, it takes decision that it is a web search types of query, and you can see it gives us all the latest video of my channel Code with Rakib. So you can see Learn Flask is the latest video, and I hope I have also a video on complete backend. You can see that it gives me all the latest video of my channel. And if I also ask, can you give me latest research paper on large language model? First, it will take decision and then it will give us answer. So you can see it gives us all the latest research paper. And in here, we can download the PDF. We can also read the PDF. Currently, we can search YouTube video. We can search image. We can search for research paper. We can search for blog or any types of news based on our query. If I give any query based on our query, it will give us a perfect output or response. In our system, we can also upload image, and based on the upload image, we can ask any types of question and it will gives us answer. So if we just upload any image, so let's choose an image. I am choosing the system architecture of OlyChat. So if I just upload this image, first this will upload the image in my cloud storage. Now you can see the image is uploaded. Now what is my task? I have to ask a query. Tell me about the image. So first of all, it take decision that it is a message of image type. Image processing is start. Now it analyze my message text and now you can see it gives me a compact response. Now here is the exciting part. We can upload any types of PDF and based on the PDF context, we can ask any types of question. But here we are trying to do a separate types of way. First of all, we will upload the PDF and then we will extract all the text, all the image, all the table, and we analyze all the internal content of the PDF. And then we will store this PDF context in the vector database for our future query. And then based on our query, we will get a perfect answer. Okay, now let's upload a PDF. So now I am uploading my resume as PDF. Now you can see it upload the PDF in the cloud successfully. Now if I ask any question about the PDF, that who is Rakib, Now you can see it takes the decision that it is a PDF types of message, and now it extracting the PDF. Okay, now you can see it gives us answer about Rakib. Okay, now there is another feature which is called PDF ask. If I click on this button and I ask any types of question, it will give me answer based on the uploaded file context. So you can see ask from PDF and analyzing your message text. So now you can see it gives me a perfect answer about my education, about my professional experience, all of these things. Okay, that's all for AI chat. Now the question is, how can we use this application? So if we revisit our landing page, we can see there is a button which is called view on GitHub. If we click on this button, we will be redirected in our OlyChat GitHub repository. In here, you can see I explain what is OlyChat, what are the feature of AI chat feature, what is the system architecture of OlyChat, what are the logic behind AI chat, and I will also add custom chatbot after I implement all of this feature. In here, you can see there is a section which is called installation. In this installation section, you can see I just guided a step by step how can we set up our project locally. You can follow all of these steps and you can set up the project locally. So you can see I guided all of these things, and I will make a separate video about the installation process. You can also see that I also explain the deployment strategy. In here, you can see the continuous integration pipeline structure, continuous deployment pipeline. How can we deploy our local project to Docker Hub? All of this process. And I also attached the deployed image table. You can pull all of this image, and if you want to join our community, you can just join from here. And if you have any types of question, any types of feedback, you can reach out to me. And these are all of my social media account link. Thank you so much for this video. Wish you a good day.